Hi everyone, welcome back to IPLF Insight. Today we'll again be delving into a sensitive topic. These days we are hearing a lot about menstrual leave. In fact, few of the companies have implemented the leave policy also as menstrual leave for women. Okay, so discuss the same. I have with me Chavi. So Chavi, what do you think is the relevance of menstrual leave? Do you think it is actually important, actually relevant for female employees? Or creating gender bias maybe?
Bhumika, it is a subjective question and would depend on organization to organization. The reason why menstrual leave came into place or why organizations have brought it, the reason is they want to make their organization more gender neutral, which is in terms of providing support to the female employees. Now, while support does not just include into giving them leaves on monthly basis, it also includes giving flexible options like work from home, allowing them to come late to office, allowing them to go early from office during the days when they require the most. It is not that every woman faces these challenges, but there are women who definitely are unable to even get up on those days and are not able to carry out their work because of the pain they endure. And keeping that in mind, I don't see a harm if that is introduced by the organization. However, a more flexible environment and an environment which allows women to be more participative, more inclusive and carry out their work without being biased or without getting judged by the other members in the organization that they are being given some kind of special privilege is what I feel should be done by the organizations.
Okay. So a counter question here would be, do you actually think that people would again maybe take fake leaves here?
Bhumika, it's not about taking fake leaves. It actually is about the endurance power of every individual or female.
So, I mean, since it's given to everybody.
Yeah, it is given to, but then it is people also understand what their obligations are, what their duties are, and irrespective of so many acts being in place, we don't see people misusing it. People in that mindset, whichever act has that kind of option of misusing will misuse it, but there will be people who will still, if they don't need it, they will not use it, or they will not take that option of asking for a leave.
That's what I would think every woman should do to help who is actually in need.
Correct.
So I hope few questions were answered here. For more, do connect.